Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select formatting information on the Pages application, such as the font, size or text color of a document. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the browse icon down below, and after that click on my phone. You can either select from your already existing documents from this page or create a new document. Tap on the text itself, and then you should click on the this brush icon at the top of the screen. And then you can select the paragraph style, as you can see, of this particular part of the text, which is set to footnote. Then you can select the font. If you click on it, you will be able to see that you have a vast variety of options here. So just simply click on the relevant one. By going back, you can also italicize, underline your text, or here you have a bunch of options, such as the character style, baseline, capitalization like none, all caps, small caps, title case or start case. Then you can select the ligatures, such as default, none or all, outline, select the line type. Here you have all the options, the color and the width as well, and the text background. By going back, you can see that you can also select the size, text color. Here are the preset text colors, but you can select your own as well. Then the character style, the paragraphs, bullets and lists, line spacing, drop cap. Here you can see the options. And if you click on the more options button, you will be able to see all of the drop cap options down below. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.